Ready to have your mind blown by the most mind-blowing earbuds on the planet? Say goodbye to the ordinary and hello to the extraordinary, because Huawei's FreeClip Earbuds are set to revolutionize your sound experience. These horseshoe-shaped wonders sit sideways around your ear, offering a unique style. Instead of hanging over the top like regular earbuds, they snugly fit in the middle. Super comfy for long-term wear, especially with glasses or sunglasses. Huawei nailed the design with the C-Bridge, connecting the comfort bean and the acoustic ball. This ensures the earbuds stay put without pinching your ear. Pop them in any way you want. No wrong way to wear them. But wait, there's more. These earbuds not only look awesome, but sound fantastic too. The reverse sound wave system helps drown out background noise, and a dual magnetic moving coil amps up the volume for your music. Now, on to the cool features. Noise cancellation, 8 hours of battery life, up to 36 with the case, waterproof and dustproof and multi-device pairing. How cool is that? Unfortunately, Huawei hasn't spilled the beans on bringing them to the US yet. But who knows? The FreeClips might be rocking your ears very soon. If you're pumped about this tech revolution, hit subscribe to stay in the loop on the latest gadgets. Like, share, and let's keep the tech party going. Until next time, stay techie, stay awesome.